Space Lace's sound design legend. The way Ian creates his different textures and sounds, just like, bro, stop making everybody look so bad. Anyways, one of the things I think he does really, really well, which is super underrated in the production scene, is utilizing noise. Not that many people utilize noise in their drops, and it can just make your drop sound even fuller. And I think Ian absolutely nails it. So I wanted to make a video all about that. This is my Space Laces kind of drop. I tried to make it in the style, but obviously nobody's getting near that level of sound design perfection. So that, and I have a noise channel, which we will create in a second, but this is what it does to your drop overall. So subtle. To create that, super easy. Let's load up a copy of Serum. OS A, we don't need yet. We need the noise sampling. We need noise. That'll do. We just literally want the sample, so we're gonna make that and then freeze flatten it. What the fuck was that? What was that? Sound like a vocal chop from a pack, but oh, that's what it sounded like. What we're doing with this noise is going into our bass channel, and we're gonna chop this noise sample. We don't need warp. Yeah, we're chopping this noise sample to the length of all the bass notes that play. So we can pair them up like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know, a little bit of humanization. Yeah, anyway. Anyway, so I'm just gonna make these for when the bass notes kicks in. So we should have this now. We do not want that bass in the noise. The noise is kind of, I think, meant to replicate like a crash or like a cymbal, because it fills out those similar frequencies in the high end. So, bye-bye bass. We don't need your noise. This is all about personal preference. You could have it there, you could have it there, or there. I didn't use sidechain for this. I used this volume automation, as you can see here, so I completely ducked out the volume and the bass whenever the kick comes in. I was going to say kick and snare, but it's kick and clap for this instance. So I'm just going to copy and paste that for the noise. And I'm also going to go ahead and mute some noises that don't really need to be there, so we'll just have a listen out for them. Sounds too crowded there. Sounds like it could be a bit shorter there. And I don't need one there. This can be extended a little bit. Sweet. That's sounding sick. I've got one more trick on my sleeve, and that is delay. I'm gonna make this noise wide, and I'm gonna do that by delaying the left side from the right side. So we're gonna change this to time, turn off the link between the two, and let's solve this. Which is kind of cool because it turns it like robotic-y and metallic-y, which adds to the textures overall as well. So bring it back in the mix. Way better. Just a more fuller sound overall, and that's what we love with our drops.